Hello YouTube, thanks for watching. So as you can see on this page below, okay, so the link is below in this video in the description, and you'll be able to access this page. All my funnels, well, most of my funnels and share codes, certainly a lot of the stuff that I've created most recently on this page. So what is this page? Now this page is where I'm kind of building out, all right, and I'm gradually building out more and more share codes. So you'll want to bookmark this page. You'll be able to get tutorials. You'll be able to get access to my share codes and see some of the stuff that I've put together here. So we've got some great stuff. I'll just show you some of the pages. Some of them you might have seen. Some of them you may not have done, but some of them are full-blown funnels. So all these come with share codes, and you'll be able to get access to these. Loads of different pages. All these pages, you can have access to. Hold on a minute. I mean, they're all basically just templates, okay? And if you have access to this, you're going to be able to use them. You can tweak them. You'll have access to the full-blown drag and drop editor, just know that they are templates and you have full control over them. So when you get access to this page and you want to be able to mess around with them, edit them, tweak them, make them work for your company or whatever, then yeah, you can do that. Okay, so how do you get access to this page? Well, you first of all, you click on the link below in the description, okay, of this video. You click and you see the page, and it'll give you some instructions on how to properly get access to these pages. Now, if you're partnered up with me, you'll get access to these funnels. Okay, if you're partnered up with me, and when you click here, it'll when you come to this page, you'll click pretty much anywhere, and it'll give you it'll pop up this pop-up modal. You'll see this, and you'll be able to see a video at the top. But you'll need to be a partner with me in at least one of these business opportunities. Okay, if you're a paid member, okay, in any of these business opportunities, you'll get access. So if you're in my team, you'll need to reach out to me and contact me, and you can do that on this page. You can contact me, and I'll give you immediate access to this page. Okay, and just communicate with me. You've even got access to the previous version of this library as well, and be happy to give you access. So contact me. If we haven't spoken before, that's fine. You can get onto this page and you'll be able to contact me there, or on the pop-up modal, there's a way you can actually contact me from what you'll see on this pop-up modal. Also, if you're a member, you'll need to join Leads Leap as well. So you'll need at least a free account. But being a free member is not going to grant you access to this. I'm looking for actual partners. So if you're on board with me in my team, you'll have full access to this page. Okay, and so you need to contact me. All right. Cheers, guys. Thanks for watching, and look forward to welcoming you on board with this little tool. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.